standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in, just me.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you will want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today I have a brand new subscription to my channel. It is Zeesea Cosmetics. She's a little bit more expensive and she comes from China, but I went ahead and I'd seen one other person I think unbox this recently, and I loved the packaging. I thought it was super cute. Now I placed my order June 17th and I just got her, so the shipping took a while and it was more expensive. I did notice on their website though that they had said that their products are made in China, but they are not tested on animals. Now not every cosmetic company based out of China will test on animals, but that is what China requires for products to be sold, cosmetic products to be sold in their country. So I thought it was kind of neat that they had all the information on there, and I thought that was cool. It just shared everything that we needed to know, saying that their products are able to be sold in the United States and they did not have to be tested on animals, which I thought was kind of cool. So we're going to get into this, and I'm guessing this is June. I don't know. There was an eyeshadow palette in there. Here she is here. She is magnetic and the colors are super similar. You do have one glitter in here. The rest are shimmers and mattes. I do think she is really small, and what I did notice is that the shadows smell like plastic. If you ever open something and you get that strong sense of smell from plastic and you're like, ooh, that's what it is when you open this. You're like, oh my goodness. But she is what I have on my eyes. I'm doing a separate video using all these products and I'll link that in here for you guys. But yeah, she's on my eyes and I do not know her value. They don't give you a card or anything like that, but the package did come where everything was very well packaged and you could tell that they used a lot of care when putting their items together. They were all sealed and they came in bubble wrap. So the eyeshadow palette is the first thing. And then I got a concealer, which I am also wearing. And it is a pretty light concealer. I was kind of shocked because there was no quiz or anything to fill out. So I was kind of like, I was wondering if this was actually going to work for me. But it did. It didn't do too bad. So not bad. Okay, so we got the concealer. You know what? Let me go ahead and just swatch her real quick for you guys so you can see. Okay, then the next thing I got was a dual-ended shadow stick. The other thing I like about these is that it's got their expiration date on them. Now this is a gorgeous cream shadow and I have her on the lower lash line here. The other side is like a glitter. And when you're tan, it would really pop. So I think that's super pretty. Can't wait to get a tan. Gosh, it's like midsummer. I'm not tan. We also got a Living Colorfully mascara. And this here is just glitter. It is really not a mascara. I'll be perfectly honest with you. Let me see if you can. I'll try to get a close-up of her. But really, she just kind of coated my lashes with glitter. That was it. And the last item, super cute packaging, this really pretty holographic kind of purple. I don't really like the fact that it looks like there's a devil thing on it. I mean, that's just my thing. It says Devil's Love, like, But she comes with a mirror and she is very, very creamy. Well, buttery, not a cream. Let me see if I can actually put a little bit of, oh, you know what? She's just super glittery. She's not really like a highlight in my opinion. It's more like glitter. Also magnetic casing, so this, I like it. I mean, I don't think I'll get another box because it was more expensive, on the more expensive side, and it took a while to get here. So let me just recap with everything with you guys. Got the highlight here, the eyeshadow palette, the concealer, the shadow stick with the glitter on one end, the extremely glittery mascara, and that was it. So I paid $40 before shipping. There is some pretty colors though here, and it is what I have on my eyes today. So let me know what you guys think. Have you seen the subscription box unboxed before? Do you think it's worth the money? Now, I have seen some of their unboxings were way better than this specifically, this one here that I have. But I don't know. Should I get another one? Should I not? You guys tell me, because if you want to see it, you know I'll do it for you. So let me know what you think down in the comments below of this subscription box. I think it was okay, but I do feel like Lorella is $29.99 a month, and you get like so much more, in my opinion. So as opposed to being with Zeesea or with Lorella, I would rather get two Lorella than this one, in my opinion. But let me know what you think down in the comments below, and thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing. I appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love it if you would take a chance on this channel by hitting that button, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!